Hi everyone, it's Corrie. Today I'm going to show you how to put this 4th of July candy holder together. This is available in my Etsy shop. Here we are with all of the pieces cut out. These two pieces which have a smaller hole in the centre are the back pieces, and the iris shutter will sit in between those. This is the iris shutter. Just show you that working. There we go. This one has a long handle. I do different designs that have shorter handles. It's going to sit in between like that, and then the arm will swing so it can open and close across that bottom there. So these pieces are for the top. The red will go on that white piece there, the blue onto this white, and then they will go onto this black piece where the half dome sits. So we're going to start with this black piece, and I'm going to put these pieces together to go onto the black. I'm using Beacon 3-in-1 glue. These pieces are exactly the same size, so they should fit together exactly like that. Just give them a squeeze. Always handy to have a baby wipe or something. I always get covered in glue. Sadly, I'm not one of these people who is very good with tweezers, so I just use my hands. Right, for these pieces, again using the same glue, I'm going to start with the outer edges and just line them up like that, and then just put these little pieces in. You can see they've got like an edge, and we just want to make sure that they're clear of that center circle. So you can put these pieces down just to give you an idea what it's going to look like. And I think it's probably best to start with this piece that has the hole in the center, because that fits exactly together like that. And then we're going to do the top piece. Again, all using Beacon 3-in-1 glue. This is your front piece complete now. So I'm going to set that to one side to dry off a little. And then we're going to work on this back piece. Now you can cut all these pieces in whatever colours that you want. You know, if you didn't want the red, white and the blue in the centre of the iris shutter, that's totally fine. These pieces with the tabs go to the back, and I like to place it down and just see where it's going to open and close. These tabs will show you where it will be closed, and then when you swing it, you can see where it will be when it's open. And obviously we need it to be visible to be able to use it. You could actually put it on the side, I think, for this design, just here, but I kind of like it across the bottom. So we flip it over and you run glue around this outer ring, then place it down and flip the entire thing over, because we need to check that that center circle is aligned. Okay, that looks fine to me. So the next step is to use double-sided foam tape. I have a couple of rolls here, and we're going to go all over this area, but avoid that area where the arm will swing, so don't put any in there. All this area we're going to cover. I've sped this up because obviously it's a little bit boring. If you leave a little bit of space around the iris shutter so it can move, and then I take the Beacon 3-in-1 again and go around this outer ring again. And then I line this, I've done it in blue, this blue piece on top. give it a squeeze. And then I like to just check that the Irish shutter is still working, because sometimes you get glue or foam too close, jam it in somewhere. That's fine. Now obviously we've got a back piece here and the front, so we need to put those two pieces together with the dome in between. And the way that I like to do it is put the front piece on like this, and then I like to run glue around this edge, this circle here. If you didn't like that idea, you could maybe draw it with a pencil and then put the glue on. You know, maybe if you're worried about staining the cardboard or whatever you're using, but I'm okay. Glitter cardstock tends not to stain or anything, so I run it around this edge and then I take the front off. And then I just place this half dome into the glue. Now obviously if you could leave things to dry for a while, that would be great. I'm doing this quite quickly just for the tutorial. So the next step is to obviously put this front on, and you can either use the glue or you can use this double-sided tape again, and that will just give more of a 3D effect if you're going to use the tape rather than the glue. For ease today, I'm just going to use the glue. And then place the front on, just align it. Again, give it a squeeze all around. And if you can leave it to dry for a while, that would be fab. And that is your finished candy holder. Just show you it working. There we go. I hope you found the tutorial helpful. Please follow and subscribe. Thanks now, bye.